it's morning. Henry has gone out to see if he can get the generator to work. I am going to go clear snow from in front of the doors and at least a couple of the solar panels, if not all of them, because we do have a tiny bit of blue in the sky. We have a lot of reflection because of the snow. So even though it's not super bright and sunny out there, we will get more snow than, we will get more sun rather, than you would think from this adventure this morning. He's just very intrigued. But she's not going to be happy when I open the door because she does not like snow. We have snow that's come down off the roof, which is normal. And we have compacted snow. So he says, like, oh no, something happened to my world. She doesn't like this. Okay, everything but the last 6 feet of snow has come off the roof. So, get in here. Green snow stubble. This has a sharp edge on it, and it will do better with stuff and into the hello.
I have 2 stubborn screws.
And
Phillips head tip is messed up and I didn't see that before I went out, so I'm going to just throw this tip away and get another Phillips head screwdriver.
makes sense. And we have lots of those replacement tips, so yep. I believe you. There are actually containers of Phillips head tips. Okay, I will clear that more later. But what is more important is to get where I'm going. So, good luck.
I'll get this going as quickly as I can so we want to turn them into roses.
Okay, that's enough. Now, a different snow shovel, which won't scratch the plastic, and a brush. Let's head to the main panels. We have a really low ceiling this morning. Looks cool. It's really pretty. It'd be much prettier if we weren't having trouble with the generator. As one does. As one does. Let's see. Now we'll see how bad the panels are this morning. Whew. Brr, brr, brr. Oh, not bad. This is going to come off easy. Oh, heavens. That's wonderful. I shouldn't speak until I actually try, but it looks like it didn't solidify totally into a block of ice, which is great. That's one of those things they don't talk about when they talk about solar panels of those sizes. Okay, not perfect, but pretty good. Now we can let's see what we can get done over here. This is the temporary panels, and they are covered with snow because they're not as steep. Here's the greenhouse. I was super lucky on the last set. Most of the stuff slid off really easily. We have seen times in the past where there was a layer of ice underneath that was totally glued, kind of like when your windscreen on your car is totally glued. Most of this will come off right away too. We're lucky. good enough. Whew. Extra exercise. Slightly frozen fingers too. Okay, let's see. That was the most important thing I could do, which was clear the snow before it turned into ice by the front door, and clear the solar panels. That means that we are now getting some solar, however small, which is better than no solar. One more set of panels, because the studio is the fallback position. If we can't get the house generator working right today, then Henry can go to the studio. We can start up the stove there, and he can use a computer on the studio system. He has a laptop. All right. Exercises, exercises. We must have our exercises. Okay. Excellent. That means any solar we do get today, we will get. And it is now time to go back in the house. I hear a tea kettle that will be boiling soon. Phew. So, until later, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, because obviously there will be lots more going on. Bye!